Hey guys, so we cleared out this space already. This was our mini walk-in closet. It's almost done. You can see all the hangers out. We've moved out some things. There's something there. I still have a few clothes here to move out, and then here. So the truck already left with a couple of things, but we still have some things to clear out of this place. Why is my tongue twisting? But yeah, this space is done.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me.
Hey my loves, good morning, hope we're good. Welcome back to a new vlog. This is the weirdest way to welcome you guys to a new vlog, but please just bear with me. We are currently in Poland. We have a couple of things to do. We officially moved to Poland. Before this video will come, you guys will see a house tour before this video, so you understand what I'm talking about. I'm also going to link the house tour somewhere around here or somewhere around here, but please just watch it, engage, like it. I think my lips is dry. Please just bear with me. We are rushing out. I just want to quickly do this intro before we go out. We are currently staying in a hotel. If you see the background, we are currently in a hotel because the new apartments, we don't have anything at all. No chairs, no bed, no mattress, nothing. So we have to stay in this hotel pending when our things get delivered from the moving company. So the moving company picked up on Tuesday. The scheduled delivery date for the items to be delivered from Germany to Poland was this week, Friday. Only for these people to call us and said that they can no longer deliver there. They have to deliver next week, Tuesday. And we tried to come in on Friday. Today is Friday. We got in this morning, early hours of this morning, so we can at least collect our items when they get to the house, but they said they cannot deliver, so we had to stay in this hotel. But we have a couple of activities to do. We're currently dressed. We're going out to have breakfast. Once we are done with breakfast, the hotel opposite me, people are actually standing outside the window and looking at me. They don't go. Being a content creator, I'm sure they'll just think, this one is a YouTuber or she's a vlogger. See her with her big camera. But yeah, that's just it, things we have to deal with as content creators. See, my hair is a complete mess. I'm going to wear a wig or my cap. My cap is actually here, but I'm thinking I'm just going to wear a cap for convenience. Yeah, I think this looks better, so I'm just going to wear my cap, and then we are out the door. We are going to Ikea here. We need to buy a bed frame, and then we also need to get curtains and a couple of things, but I'll carry you guys along. Hope we're good. I know this video is going to be all over the place, but please just bear with me, and I'll talk to you guys much later. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo.
So we are here to check out curtains. Okay, yeah, so I'm thinking of this one. I really like the color. I love the color of this one. So this would be the outer one, and then the inner one. I think this one is how much? 40 zlotys per yard, I guess. So I'm thinking of this color or this one here. But I think I prefer the other one. The other one has the color I am looking for. This or this one. Let's see. I think I prefer this one. So this is the cotton side by side, but I think I prefer this one to this one. I prefer this one. So this is not, I don't know how to call it, but like the color is way more beautiful in real life than it is. But I prefer this color over this one. So I think we're going to go with this one. Hey guys, hope I'm good. We just got to the apartment and this is the second time I'm actually seeing the apartment officially. I'm so happy. We just did everything now and just got our keys. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to start this project. Really, really happy. So we came to do some measurements. Why is this camera tilting like this? We came to do some measurements like the curtains and a couple of things. You guys will see. We're going to give you guys an apartment tour. By the time you guys will see the apartment tour, we should have moved in. We've been packing and moving. We already ordered a couple of things from Ikea and a couple of websites. So we are here now to take delivery of all those items so we can start a couple of things. We're not doing everything. Like I said, we're not rushing the whole furnishing process. We want to take our time maximally to furnish this apartment. So yeah, I'm currently standing in the sitting room. I'll keep you guys posted. Let me just check other parts of the house and then I'll come back to you guys. So I'm currently in the kitchen area. That's my bag over there. We want to put something here. So I want to put like a mini island around here. I actually wanted an open floor kitchen initially, but since I can't get that, but this is not bad either. I love the wood so much. I love everything about the kitchen. I just need to put an island here and then we're good. You guys will see like a proper apartment tour later. It also comes with an oven. There's a dishwasher here. The house came fully furnished with a couple of things. We still need to buy a few things. So let me take you guys to the other part. This is like one of the bathrooms here. Please, in case you hear that sound, please just ignore it. We've not done anything. It has not even officially been cleaned properly. That's your girl. Why is my jacket like this? It has not been cleaned properly. So this is one of the toilets. The other one is identical, same thing. Like whatever you see here is what is there. And then we also have, this is the bathroom. The toilet is the other way. We also have the same exact bathroom in this apartment, the same thing. And then we have the toilet here for the guests. So we also have the toilet here. You guys will see all this later.